Two workers are dead after an explosion at the DAR Pro Solutions processing plant in Mississippi. On Monday, August 10th, an explosion rocked the DAR Pro facility, which recycles cooking oil and meat byproducts to make animal feed and biofuels. On Thursday night, 51-year-old William Jackson died as a result of the thermal burns he suffered during the blast. 56-year-old Terrence Fortenberry died the following morning. The facility is located in the Greater Jackson Industrial Park in Byram, Mississippi. According to the Clarion Ledger, neither the local sheriff's office or the city's fire and police departments were even aware that an industrial accident occurred at the facility. The company told the Ledger that it is conducting an internal investigation, and we reached out to DAR Pro regarding the incident, the workers who perished in the accident, as well as the company's safety record, but it has yet to respond to our request for comment. The company, which is a subsidiary of Darling Ingredients out of Texas, received 3 serious OSHA citations in 2017 and paid a $12,604 fine. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.